Welcome to this video guys. In this video I will show you how to assemble the ball bearing in this bearing housing. I have already uploaded a video of how to model this bearing housing. You can find the link in the description of how to model this bearing housing in Solidworks. So click here and open it in assembly file. Just click here and it will automatically appear here. Now let's change the background to plain white, and then here are the SKF bearings, but let me show you here. You need to click here and adds in. Just make sure that you have checked this option, SolidWorks libraries. You need to check these two options and then click OK, and then you have to go into this toolbox. After going into this, you need to find the SKF bearings. This is SKF. You need to go into bearings. Here you can see ball bearings. Select this middle one, place it here. Automatically this bar will be opened. You need to specify the parameters here. So this is actually the bearing number, the SKF bearing number. Just select this one. The OD and ID, I mean outer diameter and inner diameter, are given. And let me show you. I want the detailed view of this bearing. So when you click this option, we can see this is full balls in the bearing, and definitely it depends on how much the load we want the bearing to bear. And this is option for the cage guys, so we can enable this cage from here. Just check this box and automatically this second bearing will appear. Press the escape button. We don't need the second bearing. And if you want to apply some appearance to this cage, you can from here. Just select this cage and specify some appearance. This golden color appearance is fine for this, and if you can select the cage from here as well guys. Select the cage from this option, and in appearance you can apply this appearance, and here we go guys. This is left, so select it and apply the appearance. And similarly we can apply the appearance for the outer race of the ball bearing. So let's apply this nickel, and we are left with the inner race. So select this inner race and apply this material. Now this is looking awesome. And now it's time to assemble guys. Assemble this ball bearing into this bearing housing. Right click and open it, the part file. Right click and open the sketch. Just change the inner dia, exit the sketch and save it, cross it. And I have done this because the outer dia of the ball bearing and inner dia of the bearing housing, they should be same or come up with somewhat tolerances. Press the mate, select the inner surface of the bearing housing and outer surface of the bearing. This is the mate type concentric, and then check this box. So we need to apply one more mate to properly assemble it. So you need to go to the advanced option, and here we find the width mate. Here we have two windows guys. So in this first window, select this surface of the ball bearing, rotate it by using your mouse. Select this opposite surface of the ball bearing, and now we are done with the first window. In the second window, we need to select this surface of the bearing housing and same exactly the other surface of the bearing housing, and the mate is done. Now we can rotate it. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.